How to get a service code from TurboTax. If you need a TurboTax service code, it usually means you're getting a special discount, upgrade, or support adjustment from TurboTax. Service codes are unique 14-character numbers used to apply promotions or help fix account issues. Here's how to find or receive your service code. First, check your email. If TurboTax support or a TurboTax agent helped you, they often send the service code there. Look for a message with the subject like your TurboTax service code or adjustment confirmation. If you spoke with TurboTax support, log into your TurboTax account and open the chat or case history. You might see your service code listed inside the support transcript or message summary. Already have the code? Go to turbotax.intuit.com, start or open your tax return, and look for the Enter Service Code box on the payment screen. Type or paste the code exactly as it appears. No spaces, no extra characters. Once entered, TurboTax will apply your discount or fix the issue automatically. You can verify it by checking that your total due or plan level has updated. If you can't find your code, contact TurboTax support again. They'll verify your account and issue a new one. That's it. Now you know how to get and use a TurboTax service code easily. Thanks for watching.